Hey everyone and welcome back to another tech tip. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into Comcast email or Xfinity, which are both the same. To do that, open any browser on your mobile device or your desktop and in the web address bar, type in xfinity.com and hit enter. It will take you to the official website of Xfinity, and on the top right corner of the screen, you can see an option of sign in. Click on that. Then it will take you to this page where you can sign in to Xfinity or Comcast. To log in, you simply have to enter your email, mobile or username in this box right here. And in the second box right here, enter your password. After writing your email and password, you have to type the moving characters which are shown here. CWPZ and hit enter. So that is how you log into Comcast or Xfinity. That was all for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.